Hi, it's Alison from Bag Lady Bird Learn to Sew. Today I'm going to be showing you how to press your bust darts.
Okay, so today we are talking about pressing darts. So here you can see the dart on the waist of this bodice, and here is the side dart. So you'll notice that if you press the dart in a certain direction, so in this case downwards, it will lie flush with the seam. If you press it in the wrong direction, it won't sit right with the seam, and this is something that good pattern cutters will do so that you know which direction to press your darts in. So you can see again the same with the waist dart. It goes that way, lines up, goes that way, it doesn't. So you always should know which direction to press your darts in. Now, I use a tailor's ham. They are a really good option for pressing darts because it mimics the curves of the body. So if you imagine there is a boob in there, and that using a tailor's ham will help you mimic the curve of the body and will help you press it in the right way. So you want an iron as hot as your fabric will take it. Test that on a sample of your fabric first, and then you are pressing your dart and just using the tip to press the pointed end, and you kind of roll your iron around the top of that part of the dart, and then you can flip your fabric over and check from the right side that your dart is sitting as it should. What you don't want is the fabric folding over the stitch line of the seam. You want it pressed open and away from each other as much as possible. So let's do this on the other dart then, the side dart. So again, we're finding the shape that fits within that curve, and then pressing and just using the tip to round on that curve there. So that would be where the apex of the bust is, the fullest part of your bust, and press that nicely like that. So what you should get is shaping on the darts that doesn't create you a Madonna bust shape, that gently tapers, and in pressing, this is just as important to get this shape. Your pressing is just as important as your stitching. So take your time to correctly press your darts to get your nice smooth curve.
Remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more great Learn to Sew videos that will help make you a better dressmaker.